G'day everybody, this is Craig Cobb of TraderCobb.com, reporting for Mickey.com.au, bringing you a bit of price action analysis on the TAs. Let me take you through something that I saw earlier in the week. I want to talk to you first about Bitcoin, and I'm going to get to what Bitcoin is up to right now as it closes in relatively quickly on that $10,000 level. Now, of course, we have seen Bitcoin do a little less, and a little less as the months have gone on. Of course, throughout the mid part of the year, or towards the mid part of the year, we did see a very strong move on Bitcoin, and since then we have been in a rather large consolidation. Now, a couple of things need to be noted. We have a lower high, and potentially a lower high here. We also have a higher low and potentially a higher low here. It smells very, very, very much like what we had back here. And don't forget as well, we can't always look at things through rose-colored glasses. It also happened back here, where at one stage before this occurred, we had lower highs and higher lows. This case, we did sell off quite hard. In this case, we did buy up quite hard. So who knows what's going to happen here? We are definitely seeing a couple of things coming into the market. If I look at the weekly here, my real points of interest here really realistically, if we break down through these lows here, we'll have a lower high and a lower low. And if we break up through this high here, we'll have a higher low and a higher high. A long way from either of those two eventuating. But for the time being, I will go back to what I'm seeing across these alts and finish up on Bitcoin. Now, what's been interesting this week and last week was, as I spoke on my podcast, the higher low on the alts, some of these top 10 alts had set higher lows and then to higher highs. Now, of course, I must admit that we have not seen any continuation of this right now, but technically speaking, an uptrend is a higher high and a higher low. Well, we have a higher low and a higher high, which means we're in an uptrend. Is it something I'm trading right now? Absolutely not. Not right now. I want to see it break to new highs in this trend, and then I'll certainly be interested. Ethereum, number 2 market cap on the Litecoin, which is also in a top 10 position right now. Of course, back up into this old $71.25 or 22 region. We see a higher low, we see a higher high. Again, technically, we have an uptrend. It's a big top 10. It's got a large market cap. Moving on to EOS. On EOS, very clear higher low. Now, what I liked about the EOS one is that we came off this old level. An old level of resistance through here was tested beautifully well. Higher low, higher high, very strong convergence. And as a matter of fact, I think we might have actually seen some support here. It did on Litecoin as well. You can see a breakout from this resistance earlier on in the year, also met by support here, higher low moving in. EOS the same, very nice higher high there after the higher low. Now, everyone asks me this question. When's it alt season? Well, it might not be alt season for your particular tokens, but I'm looking to trade within the top 10 to 20, and that's where I spend most of my attention, looking for opportunities. And what I'm seeing right now, although it's not clear for me, although I still need to see that confirmation, Ethereum, for example, needs to break to a new high. Litecoin as well needs to break to a new high. EOS here needs to push on to a new high. And Bitcoin realistically needs to just hold 10,000 because many of these alts have well outperformed Bitcoin in its most recent couple of weeks. What I need to see is 10,000 to be held. Now, I threw in that Fibonacci before, and I want to show it to you once again. Drawing the Fibonacci as we do here, 61.8 back down around that $10,000 level. It is a little bit below. Today's game for me, my plan, and throughout the week, is to just see how indeed we hold or not to 10,000. Will we see Bitcoin bounce? And if we do, the first key level is to break through this here to put us into a daily uptrend. EOS, Litecoin, and Ethereum already in uptrends technically. Will they continue and lead the market, or will we see Bitcoin continue to fall and drag the rest of the market down? For me, I don't know either way. What I am able to do is keep an eye on what's going on, and I'll just trade the trends. Admittedly, there haven't been a lot of great trends of late, but we do have to keep our eye on what's going on, and we do have to have a plan. Ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic day. Jump across to TraderCobb.com and enjoy the news on Mickey.com.au. Bye for now.